Hello children, this is the continuation of the first video. So here the second question is x square minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. So as first remember that the equation which is given to you should be in the form of general quadratic equation. So now if you see this is in the form of general quadratic equation. So write as x square minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to, because it's plus sign over here before b. So when you are writing the value of b, you have to consider the sign as well. So it is minus 5 and c is equal to minus 8. Is it clear till here? Now use the formula. For first you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. So that is minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8. Here square of negative number is also positive. So 5 square minus 5 square becomes 25. Minus into minus is plus. 4 8s are 32. So plus 32. Here you get value as 57. Now you have to use the final formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Whatever value you have got for b square minus 4ac, you have to put it inside the root. Don't forget the root sign. Okay, many students make this mistake. So minus sign will remain. You have to only substitute the value of b, that is minus 5, plus minus root of b square minus 4ac becomes root 57 upon 2 into a is 1. Minus into minus plus 5 plus minus. Now root of 57, for this finding the value of root of 57 you have to use log table. Now in that open the page where it is written 10 to 100. So go to that page and you can see here 57 is there. 57, go to the column where 57 is written, the first column where numbers are written. Here 57, and then as it is there is no number, so first column which is 0 up it is written. So there you have to check the value 57 value. What is the value of 57? That you have to write it over here. So the value of 57 is root 57 is 7.550. So you'll write here 7.550 upon 2. Now you have to till here if you have finished. Now you have to find the value of x, but as it is given plus minus in between, you have to split. You have to find x1 value and you have to find x2 value. So here you will be writing x1 is equal to 5 plus 7.550 upon 2 and x2 is equal to 5 minus 7.550 upon 2. So that is x1 is equal to 5.12 upon 2. Okay. Now here if you see 7.550 in front of that it is minus, so negative sign will be there. Subtract and get the answer. So you will write 2.550 upon 2. And when you are writing value of x1 as, you will divide by 2. So you will get the value as 6.275 and x2 minus 1.275. Now because it is said that you have to find the value till second decimal place. Now this is the first, second and the third place. This particular place, the third decimal place, as it is greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5. So as this is 5, you have to remove this and you have to add 1. Means how you do rounding up. In the similar manner, you have to write the value of x1 as 6.28. So you have to remove this 5 and add 1 to this 7. Here it will be minus 1.28. So you'll remove this 5 and add 1. Now write the solution set. You have to write the solution set. Without that, you cannot end your sum. So you have to finally write 6.28 and minus 1.28. This is your answer. Put it in box. Okay. Now the next question. The next question, that is the third question, is x square plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now first you have to bring this equation in the general quadratic equation form. So write it as x square minus 3x, because when you are bringing this 3x over here, this is plus. When it comes here, it becomes minus. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now write down as it is in the form of general quadratic equation. You can proceed further. So as x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3. You have to consider the sign. C is equal to plus 1. Now you have to find the value for b square minus 4ac. So I'll erase this part. B square minus 4ac is equal to, substitute minus 3 the whole square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1. So you will get square of negative number is also positive. So 3 square is 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Now you have to substitute it in the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, let the sign minus be there. Substitute the value for b, that is minus 3, plus minus b square minus 4ac, you have got 5. Write root 5 upon 2 into, now value of a is 1, so 1. So you'll write minus into minus becomes plus 3 plus minus root 5 upon 2. Now you have to find the value of root 5. So again, as it is not a perfect square, you have to take the help of log table. So now when you are taking the help of log table, check in the log table, go to the column, go to the page where it is written 1 to 10. Okay, there you will see that 5 is there, 5.0 in the first column, and in the second column the value is given. So that is the value for root 5. Okay, now you have to write down the value of root 5, that is 2.236. Write it down. The value of root 5 is 2.236. So that is 3 plus minus 2.236 upon 2. Now as it is plus minus, you have to split it. x1 is equal to 3 plus 2.236 upon 2. x2 is equal to 3 minus 2.236 upon 2. So x1 is equal to, when you add, you will get 5.236 upon 2. And x2 is equal to, when you will subtract it, as it is 3.000, you will write 2.236. You will subtract, so you will borrow this 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. So you will get 4, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 2 7.0. So you'll get 0.764 upon 2. And here, because 3 is greater than 2.236, you'll have plus sign over here. So the final answer what you are getting is from this it will be 2.x1 is equal to 2.618 and x2 is equal to 0.382. Okay, so now as you have to convert it till the second decimal place, you have to check for the third decimal place, it is greater than 5. So you will remove this and add 1 to the number which is in the second decimal place. So I'll write it as x1 is equal to 2.62 and x2 is equal to 0.38. Okay, so now your final answer you have got. So write the solution set. So the solution set is 2.62 and 0.38 and put it in the bracket. Okay, copy this sum. Thank you.